Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on split screen mode in your device Realme C33. So if you want to turn on split screen mode in your device Realme C33, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable split screen mode in your device.